Now we will take a look over the other three options on the dashboard, that are: one is workout, second is nutrition, and third is fitness test. In workout option, you can see the number of members whose workouts are yet to be assigned. Click on the workout option. You will see 3 members whose workout cards are not yet assigned. Click on view workout card. If you have created some workout plans before, it will show you in the list. If not, then create the plan by clicking on the plus button. Create plan name. Add number of days. Now click on create. The plan will be created, and add to the list. You will see an option of add workout. Click on add workout. Select any option from these three. I am selecting regular. Now click on the exercise option. Add workout from the workout list. Now click on done and save it. If you want that the workout given to the member should repeat on to the next days, you click on copy to your deserved days, select days and apply. Copy to select days and apply. Now your workout plan is created. Now if you want to assign this to the member, go to the workout list option. Click on that and select the date. Okay. Repeat plan. Select repeat plan. From which day we want the start workout, number of days to be repeated. Done. Now select the member you want to assign this workout and send it. Your workout plan is to be assigned. Next is nutrition. It is almost same as workout option. Tap on nutrition. It will show you the members who are not yet assigned with nutrition plan. Now click on view nutrition plan, same as we'll have seen in workout. Click on add sign. Add the name of plan. Add the number of days and create. Now add the food items that you want to assign to the member. Right now we have less food option listed right now, but we will add it later. But if you want to add something, you can add it by clicking on the add note button. Like egg is not here right now, then you can note it. Add note. You can edit it, but you can delete it also. Now click on copy to. If you want to copy this given diet to other selected dates, click on apply this plan, copy to, select days. If you want same diet on these days, apply it. This plan will be applied to other selected days too. Now click on share option. enter start date. Okay, repeat plan, select the date, done, select the member and send. Your nutrition plan will be assigned. Next option that I am explaining to you is fitness test. In this option, you can create fitness test of any member. Now click on it. Now click on view fitness test. Click on plus button. Enter the test name and create. Add workouts. Select the workouts and done. If you want to create other workouts, then go back, go to the profile, go to the upload workout video, click on add workout video, enter the workout name. You can enter any name you want to choose. Video name, choose a video, and add. Now you can see the workout in your workout list. Select the workouts and done, and save it. Go back, go to the members option, select the member which you want to assign this fitness test. Tap on fitness test option, tap on plus button, select the test that you created, select target, enter the actual target, and submit it. Schedule next fitness test, select the date, okay, and submit it. Fitness test is assigned now.